Today we're making squash blossoms, and this is something that the kids really enjoy making. Squash blossoms are cooked and eaten, as well as pumpkin blossoms, or you can use any blossom from a cucurbit plant. The first step is to pick the flowers from the plants. We most often pick the male flowers because the female flowers is what turns into the squash or the pumpkin, so mostly male flowers are used. After they are picked, the next step is to wash each flower to get off any dirt or any bugs that may be on it. And then the flowers are rolled into a mixture of flour and water, or you can use flour and milk. And over here we are preparing the flowers. They are being rolled into the batter, which these Garden Grove youth have prepared. And then the next step is to put them in a skillet with hot oil.